Crafty friends, today I'm opening a mystery box from Arts and Crafts Online Australia. Now this was a spend $100, get $200 worth of Christmas items included in this mystery box. So I am going to open up and share with you what was inside this mystery Christmas box. And I've moved the whole package out to the side so I can unpack them and show you clearly. So first up are some metallic lettered foam tiles. Then there's an interesting alcohol ink pad and refill. Then I have a tube of sparkly glitter paint, and you can see the colour there. And next up, these gorgeous fully metal charms. I actually have the paper pad that I bought for that last year, so that's awesome that I've got those metal charms. This is a Kaisercraft coloured spray, and you can see it's a beautiful red, nice to go along with the Christmas theme. We've got a Season's Greeting chipboard. Then we've got another spray bottle here, and as you can see it is green. And I'm going to take it out of the wrapping, and probably not the best tool, but I'm using my tool-in-one to make a hole so I can then get my fingers inside to open the package. And it is a stunning green. It is a Tonic Nouveau Studios Apple Spritzer sparkle spray. Then there is this Expressit ultra fine gold glitter, and the ultra fine gold glitter is fantastic for lots of different projects. We've got a set of Nouveau alcohol markers in the red tones. Then this really nice Crafter's Companion stamp and die set, so that'll be great for a lot of projects. Then there's these two huge bags of Crafter's Companion snowflakes, and they are chockers with product. Now I haven't seen one of these before, but I'm not normally a scrapbooker, so this will be interesting. So it's a Heidi Swap scrapbook kit, and there is a paper Christmas tree stencil. We've got like a burlap cover onto a quite large sized scrapbook. And then it also comes with a rich chocolate brown, goldy yellow, and a nice pine green embossing threads and needle. So that must be to do projects on your cover if you want, or inside the book. We then have Couture Creations mirror board, and it's a gold patterned card. We have some really pretty ephemera pieces here by Couture Creations, and it's from the Naughty or Nice range. We've got these really pretty thickers. They're in a candy cane stripe. Then to go along with that Heidi Swap album, we've got this beautiful Christmas chipboard stickers. Oh no, sorry, not chipboard, but cardstock stickers. And finally, we've got Naughty or Nice paper collection by Couture Creations. And inside, you can see I'm trying to move them around there. We've got some postcards, and then lots of really lovely sort of traditional designs for the papers. And also included, I'm going to show you here, is a range of ephemera pieces as well. So that is everything that was in my mystery box. Now it did say $100 worth of product for $200. Sorry, no, reverse that. $200 worth of product for $100. They also had $50 and $25 mystery boxes as well, if you are interested. And I'd be really interested to know whether you thought I've got good value for my mystery Christmas box. And I'm just going to quickly put everything back in a neat pile so I can then clear my desk to make some great crafty goodies. And until next time, I hope you have a lovely day, and I'm hoping you find some time to have some crafty fun. And until next time, hope to see you again soon. Have a great day and enjoy the time you get to craft. Bye bye for now.